applied my foundation, which is Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. Now I am taking Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying it as my eye makeup base. Using my normal foundation brush to blend it out. Now I am taking Nicka K23 Perfect Matte Palette and my normal eyeshadow brush. Taking this light brown, apply it to the crease area to get some sort of depth. Now I am taking this dark shade and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. Just take your time and blend it well. Now I am taking this black eyeshadow and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes to get that black smoky effect which Sonam is carrying in her Sangeet look. Just focus on the outer corners of your eyes. Now I am taking Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow and a flat brush. Taking the product on the brush and applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. I just love this shadow because it's very nice and it sticks to your eyes basically. It doesn't fall out or anything. I'm applying it on the inner corners of my eyes as well. Now I'm using NYX Fox Whites liner and applying it on my lower waterline. Now I'm taking Maybelline gel liner and a small brush. I'm drawing a very thin line close to my lashes. And now I'm just winging a little bit of my liner outside my eyes, not much. Now I will be doing my contouring, and for that I'm using Nicka Cake Contour Duo and a flat brush to contour. I'm taking this light shade because Sonam did not did too much of contouring in her Sangeet look, so I'm doing it very little bit. Now I'm taking Nicka K Blush Duo and using this pink shade, and now I'm just applying the blush on my cheeks to get that blushed look which Sonam was having. I'm keeping the blush a little bit heavier than usual. Now I'm taking same Nicka K Contour Duo and taking the darker shade from it to contour my nose. Now this step is completely optional, guys. Now in order to highlight my face, I am using NYX Baked Blush because it is soft pinkish highlight according to me, and I use it as an highlighter only. Guys, please ignore my hair because I have washed it today itself. Now for my lips, I am using Pure Passion lipstick which I bought from Westside. Sonam was wearing very light nude pinkish sort of lipstick. So I found this lipstick very similar to that.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
Now for the hairstyle, I am combing my hair and doing the center parting. Sonam was having this different sort of style going on the sides. So first we will be doing that. And for that I am taking a small section, not small, medium section of hair from the middle of my head and just doing the normal 3-strand braid. Just braid your hairs 3 to 4 times. Now take a thick section of your hair from the front and add it to the strand which was near to it and take it above the middle strand and then under the last strand. Now just pull this hair section outwards to achieve this sort of look. Now take another section from the front and do the same. Add it to the strand which was near it. Take it above the middle strand and then under the last strand. Pull the strands out like so. Pull the hairs as per your need. Don't worry about small or tiny hairs coming out because you can adjust it later on. Now take this section of hair behind your ears like so and secure it with the help of a bobby pin. But before that, if you want some sort of changes, you can do it like I am doing. So here's the bobby pin and now I'm just securing it nicely and you are done. Now do the same on the other side as well. I have done it on both the sides and it is done. If you want, you can leave it like that, or you can make a 3-strand braid, which was actually the look which Sonam was carrying on that day. Now I will be applying my Mang Tika and securing it with the help of a bobby pin, and here you go. It is that simple, guys. If you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Until next time we meet, this is me, Shweta, signing off. Bye bye.